Hi, I'm Rosen Chang, and I'm going to be reading my poem Dead Horse Point. It begins with an epigraph. Dead Horse Point. In the 1800s, according to legend, cowboys herded wild horses into a corral here. For reasons unknown, the cowboys once left the horses in the corral without water. They died of thirst overlooking the Colorado River. Utah State Parks Office. I'm surrounded by layers, sediment left by oceans, rivers, mudflats sculpted by millennia of erosion, shades of red, orange, and more orange, endless stripes of dry mustard, rusty rose, resembling a hand-woven blanket you'd sleep under on a cold night, or a shroud for horses. Herds of Mustang once galloped across this plateau, crisscrossing the land, their thick leg muscles rippling under undulating brown coats radiant with beads of sweat. The trochaic beat of their hooves as each horse joined one after another, the thunderous orchestra against dry earth, and the imperceptible moment of hooves airborne, a fraction of a second off the ground. Then men rounded up those herds into a corral formed by these cliffs and a length of fence. They left the horses. I don't want to envision their fright-struck eyes, their large black pupils spinning in white bowls of fear, froth foaming in their mouths, their half whinnies. Here, on this tableau of earth, with its colors glowing, its contours overlooking rivers where everything is still and beautiful, where above me a raven flies back and forth so low, its wings meeting the wind as it passes, once and again, its long shh overhead. Thank you.